everyone, welcome back to our channel. We're back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm polishing concrete. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, so let's go and get started. I'm doing the edges there with a 30 grit cowbell. I went over those cracks that made on the floor that were very high and uneven, and doing the edges before I start with the machine. We have our 21-inch floor grinder. I'm taking these plates out of the machine so we can start putting our 30 grit metal bond. So this step right here will be our first pass or first cut, however you want to call it. I already began running the machine. You guys can see the floor is wet. I sprayed some water on the floor. I have the other option. I can put water on the tank, but I didn't want to put it this time. Or sometimes I carry a spray on my hand, so I spray water here and there. Why? Because normally the diamonds tend to get hot, and the water is always going to help you cut or open the floor better. Right after finish opening the floor, I started cleaning the cracks, and right after that I started vacuuming the floor. We getting our cement ready, so I'm right here mixing it on the bucket so we can go over the cracks, holes, and some debits on the concrete. We have two options that we can use, either a feather finish, which I'm using right now, or a epoxy, but either way the crack will crack eventually over the years, especially if you live here in California. If you live in other states, it might be different. For sure the epoxy will hold a little bit better than the feather finish, but that's optional. Either one you can use. So we continue patching everything before we start running our next step. Right now we just finished patching everything, so we're gonna start doing the edges and also the corners. You guys can see the 7-inch grinder doesn't get all the way, so we have to get that with a small grinder. All the corners, we're gonna get with this little Makita. We're gonna get the edges, the corners. And I'm gonna take this cop wheel here out, and I'm gonna start with the 100 grit all the way around the edges. You guys can see me there. I'm doing the corners, the little details like I mentioned to you guys before. Also, I'm getting this 7-inch grinder ready to start doing all my edges all the way around the garage. One thing I just want to say, I do really like to use my ceramics, any ceramic, to remove scratches from your metal, because they remove the scratches very fast. Can you use polishing pads to remove the scratches from your cowbell 30? Yes, you can, but it's gonna take you longer. You want to polish it faster, either in the machine, or especially removing scratches from your edges, you want to use ceramic. At this point I'm running a hybrid tooling. It's like a 100-200, so we're running this step all over the floor, and we're gonna continue with our next step. We're about to start with the 400, so you guys can see there. has that I do for the 400s. Let me see here. You you can see a little bit of sheen to it, little shine, not too much compared to this here. You guys can see there. We finished running our 400 grid. Also, we run 2 more steps, the 800 and 1500 grid. At this point, the floor was already sealed, ready to buff with our buffer. There's a 20-inch electric buffer, so that's where we're gonna start doing buffing the entire floor. But this one is shiny.
Yeah, I love it, man.
Yeah. The floor is being buffed. This is the final floor. You can see the gloss, the reflection, couple oil stains on the concrete, but you cannot remove those. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please put thumbs up, support the channel by subscribing. Also, if you want to know every time I upload a video, just hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. Also, if there's a video that you guys want me to make regarding to polishing concrete, or you guys want me to teach you guys something, leave it there in the comments. I'll try to make it happen for you guys. So that's it for this one, and see you guys on the next one.